What if I told you that the smallest item in your shop could actually be your biggest breadwinner? We have all been there staring at a massive half-finished blanket that's took weeks to complete, but while we are working on those big projects, there's a gold mine sitting in your scrap basket. Today we are diving into the world of crochet keychains. They are fast, they are addictive, and on platforms like Etsy and Shopify, these are absolutely impulsive by magnet. Stay with me because we aren't just looking at the cute pictures. I am breaking down the specific design that are trending right now and how to style them so they actually sells. First up, let's talk about the foodie trend. There is something about a tiny smiley strawberries or a miniature iced coffee that people cannot resist. Pro tip for the Etsy sellers: food themed keychains perform incredibly well as best friend sets. Pink milk and cookies and PB and jellies hearts. Design idea: focus on texture using a fuzzy yarn for a tiny peach or a shiny embrace thread for syrup on the pancakes. Makes your work look premium. White works: these are perfect for back to school season or as cute bag charms for teens. Next we have the undisputed king of crochet category. If you are seeing mushrooms or bees, you are leaving money on the table. But to stand out in 2026, you need a twist. Instead of standard red mushroom, try muted earthy tones like terracotta, sage greens, or dusty roses. If you are running your own site, bundle these with a wildflower collection. These customers can buy 3 keychains for a slight discount. It increases your average order value and clears out your scrap yarn in record time. Here is hard truth: a great crochet item won't sell if the photo looks